Hello, kindergarten scientists. Miss Hutchinson here. I heard you're starting to learn all about plants, and I wanted to be a part of that learning. Here in my backyard, I have so many types of plants. Turn and tell an adult something you notice about the plants you can see in my backyard. Great observations. Maybe you notice that a lot of the plants are green. Plants are green due to a special pigment called chlorophyll, which helps plants make their own food. Maybe you also noticed that a lot of the plants are in pots, and some are in the ground. Great observation. No matter where they grow, either in a pot or in the ground, all plants grow in the same material. Anyone know what that material is? Soil. Great job, scientists. Maybe you also noticed that a lot of the plants have different parts. That is a fantastic observation. What are some of the basic plant parts that you already know about? That's great. Maybe you talked about roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. We're going to look at the different parts of plants more closely next time, but maybe we can take a quick look today. Here's a weed I pulled from my garden. I don't want it to grow anymore, but we can use it to look at the parts of the plants. Let's start with the roots. Can you point to the roots? Great job, scientists. The roots are right down here at the bottom of the plant. Let's go to the stem next. Anyone know where the stem is? Point to it. Great job, scientists. It's this long part here in the middle. Great job. Let's see if you can find the leaves. Point to the leaves of the plant. That's right, it's all of these green parts hanging off of the stem. That just leaves the flower. Can you point to the flower? Good job. The flower's all the way up here at the top. It's the colorful part. We're going to look more closely at the different parts of plants next time, but good job identifying them here on this plant. Before I go, do you guys want to help me set up some plants for a later lesson? Fantastic! We're going to plant a couple different types of beans that we can use later on here in Backyard Science Lab. All right, kindergarten scientists, here we go. In these couple of cups, we're going to be planting some lima beans. And in these couple of cups, we're going to be planting some black beans. Now, before I put the beans in the cup, what do I need to put in first? Did you say soil? Great job. I'm going to fill each cup about halfway with soil. There we go, cup 1. Cup 2. Cup 3. And one more. Cup 4. There we go. Now this is good potting soil, so it'll help our beans sprout quickly. Now that I've got my soil, what comes next? The seeds. Great job, scientists. In these 2 cups, I'm going to plant 3 lima beans each. Ready? 1, there we go. Push it on the side. That way we can still kind of see it. Then I'll put one over this way. 2. See how you can still kind of see it on the side? That way we can watch it grow. And 1 more. It's kind of under my tape, so oops. It's very close to this one. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Do the same thing in this cup. Let's put one here so we can see it. There's 1. Put one here so we can see it. That's 2. 1 more lima bean, and we'll put it right next to the tape. There we go. 3 lima beans ready to go. Now in these cups, I'm going to plant 5 black beans in each cup. Same thing, I'm going to push them along the side so we can try and watch them grow. All right, we've got, 1, 2, 3, giving them lots of space so they can grow. 4, and 1 more for good measure. There we go, 5 black beans in this cup, and now 5 in this one. Ready, 1, 2, 3, pushing along the side, giving them a little bit of space. 4, and of course, 5. Alrighty. 5 black beans in this cup. Now what is the last step? Did you say water them? Great job, scientists! Alright, to make this easy, I'm going to use this spray bottle and just add enough water to get the soil a little bit wet. There we go. There we go. And 1 more. Little bit, little bit, little bit more. Alright, our seeds are ready to go. We're going to check on those in a couple of days. That's it for this time. Until next time, take a look at the plants in your own backyard or the next time you go for a walk. Start thinking about what all plants need to survive. Until then, stay curious, little scientists.